Hello, in this video I want to show you how to set up Wi-Fi or any kind of internet connection on TCL Roku TV. To do this, first we'll need to open our settings, navigate to the network. Right here you will find set up connection. Then you can switch between wireless or wired. If you want to connect it using Ethernet cable, then connect the internet with the Ethernet LAN port on your TV, and that way it should provide connection. Then we're gonna go for the wireless, and here it will scan for any Wi-Fi networks available. Now we can see the list. Just choose whichever network you have the password for and click on it. Then enter the password and click on connect. And here we have it, we are connected to the internet. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.